Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Skoda Elroq. Skoda is accelerating its journey into the electric vehicle market with the introduction of its second fully electric car, the 2025 Skoda Elroq. Expected to hit Australian roads in July 2025, this innovative crossover not only expands Skoda's EV lineup but also introduces the brand's striking new modern solid design language. The Elroq brings exciting updates that set it apart from its competitors. From sustainable interior materials to improved electric powertrains, Skoda has elevated the EV experience. The Elroq draws inspiration from the Vision 7's concept car of 2022, showcasing a futuristic yet practical design. Its slimmer daytime running lights, positioned at the leading edge of the bonnet, and a mustache-like grille, replacing a traditional grille, give it a distinctive and modern appearance. Despite its compact look, the Elroq shares the MEB electric car platform and wheelbase with the larger Enyaq, proving that appearances can be deceiving. It's a spacious and robust vehicle, not to be mistaken for the smaller Skoda Kamiq crossover. The 2025 Skoda Elroq's cabin exemplifies comfort, functionality, and sophistication. Spacious design, despite its compact SUV classification, the Elroq offers generous legroom and headroom, accommodating up to 5 passengers comfortably. Premium materials, recycled textiles, soft-touch plastics, and vegan leather accents enhance the eco-friendly yet luxurious feel. Innovative technology. A 13-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Digital cockpit. A fully customizable 10-inch digital driver display. Voice assistant. Skoda's enhanced voice command system ensures effortless interaction with vehicle functions. Ample storage. Clever compartments and a spacious 585-liter boot ensure practicality. The Skoda Elroq is powered by state-of-the-art electric drivetrains that deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. Standard range: a 58 kilowatt-hour battery with a range of 400 kilometers. Long range: a 77 kilowatt-hour battery offering 500 miles per charge. Single-motor front-wheel drive variant produces 201 horsepower. Dual-motor all-wheel drive variant delivers 295 horsepower for enhanced performance. Fast charging: 10% to 80% charge in under 30 minutes with a 150 kilowatts DC fast charger. Home charging: full charge in 7 to 8 hours using a standard AC home charger. Driving dynamics, advanced suspension, responsive steering, and selectable drive modes ensure a smooth and engaging driving experience. While prices and Australian specs for the Elroq haven't yet been announced, it's expected that they'll hover at around the $50,000 mark, whereas the bigger Enyaq starts from around $70,000. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.